Teenagers, for your ears only. Let's read. Listen to me, boys and girls. I'll let you into a secret. A secret to make your parents, siblings, friends happy and to stop nagging you. No, I'm not talking about giving gifts, expensive gifts to them. I know you do not have the money, but you have something which they don't have. You can do something for them every day. The older people will never think of it. Their ideas start with money and end with things that cost money. Let me explain what I mean. First thing is to start at home. Do something for the family, and more fun you will have with them. First step. Do things voluntarily, without being told. I mean, you and I know we have to do something, and a lot of things ought to be done by us. So, why not do them as gifts to parents? You want examples? Okay, help with housework. Clean up your room. Weed the garden. Do your school homework without being nagged. Do not watch TV till late hours. Go to bed at a sensible time. Take care of your younger siblings. By doing so, you will give adequate rest to your mother, help your father in many chores he does alone, and save them from all kinds of anxiety. You know, they are growing older, and anxiety can age them faster. Second step. You can help your brothers and sisters by not picking up a fight with them on daily basis. Help the younger ones with their homework. Escort your sisters to some outings, and above all, sometimes doing their share of housework. Third step. What about school and neighbors? Do not forget them. They also count a lot in your life. You can run errands for your neighbors. Never do your friends' homework, but only help them to understand. Pay close attention in class and do not irritate your teacher. Are you protesting? Is this too much for you? Or you are asked to do so much? Why? Listen, children, you will make a host of friends. You will plant a seed for future happiness if you start at 13 and not wait till you are 30. Remember, your thoughtful acts now will make you develop a lively personality, gracious, friendly, and lovable. So bye, think over it.